morning everyone. Today we will continue chapter India, size and location. You all look at this map. This is the map which is showing the various countries on the globe. Okay. Here you can see that two types of lines are drawn. The lines which are vertical are called longitudes, which decides the time and date, whereas the horizontal lines are latitudes, and we get an idea about the degrees and distance with the help of latitudes. Okay, now children, just look at this 0 degree. Okay, a special line is coming from 0 degree. This is longitudinal line, a special longitudinal line called as the prime meridian. Now the prime meridian is set as 0 degree longitude, and it divides the earth into the eastern and the western hemisphere. Always remember that west side is on your left hand side and east is on your right hand side. So earth is divided into eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. All other longitudes are measured and named after the angle they make with respect to the center of the earth from the intersection of the meridian and the equator. As you all can see, this sphere-like structure of the earth, it has round about 360 degrees. Okay, in the middle you can see 0. So if we go towards west side, so you see 0 to 180 on the left side and 0 to 180 degree towards right side. So this is east. Is it clear, children? The meridian opposite the prime meridian is the 180 degree longitude and is known as anti-meridian. Now this 0 degree is also called as Greenwich prime meridian. Reason? This is passing through a village in London called Greenwich, and through this line only, because it is prime meridian also, through this line only the international date as well as international time is decided. Is it clear? I hope you have understood. Now let's move to India.